With the Homebase mobile app, you can send cover requests to a person, a group, or the whole team, and you can also trade shifts as needed. Ready to learn how? Let's get started. First, let's open up your Homebase app on your mobile phone. To send a cover request, first tap Schedule on the lower navigation bar. Select My Shifts from the top bar. Here, you will find the current week's schedule. You can also swipe on the top of the page to navigate to future schedules. To request someone to cover your shift, first select Find Cover to the right of any future shifts you need cover. Tap Request Cover. Then select all or specific teammates that you would like to send a cover request to. You can also attach a message as well. Once done, select Submit. After requesting, your shift isn't immediately covered. If and when a team member accepts, it will be sent to your manager for final approval. Tap Request Coverage. Just like that, you have sent a cover request. To trade shifts with someone, you will do the same thing by finding the shift you would like to trade and select Find Cover to the right of the shift. Then tap Trade Shift. Here you can select all or specific teammates that you would like to trade with. Once chosen, select Submit. Remember, it is only confirmed once your team member and then your manager approves. Tap Initiate Trade. You have now sent in a trade request. Once your cover and trade request gets approved, you will be notified and your schedule will be automatically updated. Still have questions? Visit support.joinhomebase.com.